there, friends. Welcome back to At Home with Cindy. I'm cleaning out my refrigerator today. Why is that in there? I don't know. Sometimes I guess I get lazy. It's my dog food. We're picking up an Azure Standard haul tonight, so I want to make sure that it's clean and, go through everything, make sure nothing's bad. I did find a few bad items I had to unfortunately throw away. But, so let me just shine it up. I'm not going to do the vegetable drawer or the bins or the freezer, but I am doing the sides as well. And those sides were filthy, the side doors. So I hope you enjoy. And I'm not quite sure why the video does that with it looks like ridges coming down. I wonder if those are LED lights and that's what causes that. Oof, I didn't know that. I don't like those. Sorry about that though. So this is all the items I needed to get rid of. The corn was dark brown. That expired. That's kind of rancid. I'm giving it to the birds. That's expired. Well, that's moldy. That's moldy and that expired. And the con queso, I like to make it myself now. And that's expired. So I'll never buy that again. And we're just going to have the leftovers that were for lunch that were sitting over there. So now I can clean those pans. It's all ready for my shopping haul.